And of course, the job announcement, and this is a sample job announcement. So when you look at a job announcement, it's always going to give you a position type, the summary, the required knowledge, skills, and abilities, physical requirements, minimum knowledge and experience, essential duties, responsibilities, many application responses. So you may have an application that gives you, tell us why you feel like you're the best person for the job, right? And it basically is open ended. I mean, it doesn't give you a really clear word count, so you could, shoot for the stars, but of course you want to be succinct. And then application close date. And the reason why I put that there as a bullet point, because people forget that you may be permitted within the academic setting to turn in something late and still get some points for it, but there are consequences in the workforce environment if you turn in something late. And then there are times where you cannot turn in anything late, even within the academic environment, which implies or which prepares you for the workforce environment, that there are times you may not be able to turn in anything late, and that you're going to have to suffer the consequences of not turning something in on time. So your job announcement is it's not one of your main areas, but it's something for you to think about as you are planning out your career.